American red oak is one of the most sustainably harvested hardwoods in the world. A lot of people do not realize that using sustainably harvested hardwood is actually a very environmentally friendly method of manufacturing. Using energy from the sun, the tree converts the carbon dioxide it pulls out of the atmosphere into biomatter. Besides from water and minerals, everything that becomes the wood of the tree comes out of the air and not of the soil. When the tree gets harvested at maturity, it would have captured tons of carbon dioxide. This means that by using sustainably harvested hardwood and turning it into furniture that will last decades, you are trapping the carbon that accounts for 2/3 of the annual greenhouse gases worldwide. At Houtlander, we've been experimenting with thermally modified red oak to create an outdoor range that is suitable for the South African climate.
Thermally modified red oak has some really interesting properties. The fact that it doesn't absorb moisture is obviously the property we are exploiting most with our outdoor range. And what we found is that it has this beautiful color, a color we're referring to as toasted oak. It has a kind of richness. It's a highly sustainable, resilient, honorable material. The preservation bench, when we set out to design it, was really about getting across this idea that the material that we use in the furniture that we make comes out of the air. And so we try to express that in a form of furniture. So the sculpture is essentially a bench which is captured out of the air, and that carbon is permanently locked into something useful. It was a 3-month-long process from concept through clay modeling to the parametric design through to engineering to the actual build. I am really pleased with what we achieved with this sculpture, and I can't wait for people to see it. It really is reflective of our core principles at Houtlander, where we believe in design that is sustainable, is long-term, is timeless.